What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know I look tan, sorry, but I have another video for you. As you can probably tell by the title, my PRP seats finally came in, so I figured I'd do like an unboxing kind of with them. I haven't seen them yet, but if you're watching this video, you're actually the first ones to see them because I'm not posting them on my Instagram for some time because I want more people to watch my videos because I put a lot of effort into them and it's fun and exciting. So if you're new, subscribe. If you're coming back and still not subscribed, your mom's a hoe. But let's go ahead and get into opening up these seats because I hope that they're all there in the box. We'll see if they're the right colors, and yeah, that's sick. I do. It's already recording, so I'm just like opening them. I'm not doing that.
Like that?
I mean, you could like come closer and just like actually like, you know, get the cinematic shots. You know, you can move around, just do all. I don't get like for real. Dude, those are sick. Wow. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what they look like. Imagine. Imagine that's all that I show.
That'd be funny.
This is the front. Yeah, there's two in each. Oh. Damn. Oh yeah, that's another thing too. I know you guys are really dying to see these unwrapped and like set up, but if you don't follow me on Instagram at Smokescreen JLUR, I actually did a poll where I had like 4 or 5 different seat colors I was trying to choose from, and I let all my followers kind of vote on them, and then I ended up going with the ones that I wanted even though they didn't win. So if you want to be included in a vote where your vote actually doesn't matter, feel free to follow me on Instagram because I'm sure I'll do that again in the future. But I appreciate everybody that chipped in. So yeah, so let's see what we got. I think they're tied on the bottom. I can't even tie my shoes, so give me a minute. Get it? I also did some curls the other day. Easy.
I'm a big dog, who you wanna be? Yeah. Diamonds on my wrist and on my I smoke Zaza, I'm in Lala off them. Took the T-tops up the vet, I need her. Then I do the fucking dash like Nifa. I don't need a bitch with a bitch. She was up her X pill, now she want.
Alright, so I pulled up the specs on the seats in case some of you guys wanted to know what I got. For starters, it's the Comp Elite seat from PRP. The PRP, the Comp Elite, and then all the stitching is all orange. The actual, I guess, what do they call this? The center color is the beige suede option. And then the arm color, which is in here, and then the back color is the black ostrich vinyl. And then the band on the outside is their medium gray vinyl. And then the only option that I went with, these are the standard width, standard height, but they do have the upgraded stitching. It's the large diamond stitch, that was an option, something like that. And yeah, how tall am I? 6'2". So if I sit in the seat, this is kind of what we're looking like. Just for like a reference. Obviously once I put them in the Jeep it'll be a little cooler, but for now, I mean, these will make cool like lounge chair. I can drink some beers and hope. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing another video installing these seats once I have all the parts and pieces in. Over here I have my Motobill brackets. that I got that I've already painted and coated with the gray Steelit. I think it turned out pretty nice. So I have all these brackets so I can attach the seats. The only thing that I'm waiting on is the harness bars for rock hard, like me. But no, I ordered them like 3 weeks ago, I think, and I called shortly after because I didn't get a shipping confirmation on them, and so I was like, oh, I'm just checking to see if anything's back ordered. I know everything's back ordered right now. And they said they're about 6 to 9 weeks out, which I was like, oh, that's perfect. If it was like 6 to 8 weeks, I'd be pissed, but when they said 9, I was like, all right, that's doable. So so yeah, so I'm hoping that those should be in the next couple weeks, and then I can get those coated, and then like I said, I'll try and film and install. I'll probably split up into a couple videos just because there's a lot of shit that's got to be done. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the seats. I only pulled the one out, and I'm hoping the other 3 look the same. Also, if you haven't found out, I got the front and rear, so I'll have 4 bucket seats, so that'll be pretty sick. I figured I have 4 doors for more whores, so I could fit myself. But yeah, so that's cool. And yeah, so I appreciate you guys checking out this video. If you guys liked it, you can give it a thumbs up. I really don't care. It doesn't like make me sleep better at night. So it's really up to you. I mean, it's cool. I appreciate the support as always. But like I said, if you're not subscribed, do that. If you are subscribed, I love you. And I'll keep you guys posted. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Have a nice life.